Inatur Vitamin C Skincare. For bright and glowing complexion, it is enriched with Gotu Kola, a member of the parsley family, is highly regarded in India, perhaps as one of the most spiritual of all herbs. Prevents aging. Amla extract. Rich source of vitamin C. Increases blood circulation and regenerates skin. Orange peel extract. Brightens skin. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, brings skin lightening. Bergamot Oil, anti-inflammatory and soothes epidermis. Hyaluronic acid, great moisturizing agent, helps to repair skin. Lemon oil, antioxidant and boosts collagen. Vitamin C Day Regime. Moisten your face with water. Step 1. Cleanse with Inatur Vitamin C Face Wash that is sulfate-free and gentle on the skin. It helps in removing excess oil and impurities to reveal soft, renewed skin with a radiant glow. Take 2 pumps of Vitamin C Face Wash. Massage it on a circular motion. Rinse your face with normal water. Step 2. Inatur Vitamin C Face Serum, Vegan. It works on diminishing the age spots, sunspots, acne scars, freckles and sun-damaged skin, revealing a clear and bright complexion. It is a lightweight formula that is non-greasy and quickly absorbs into your skin. Take 3 pumps of Vitamin C Face Serum. Use your fingertips to gently apply the serum to your face and neck. Avoid rubbing too hard. Let the product absorb on its own. Step 3. Vitamin C Peel Gel. Apply on your face. Wait a few minutes. Rinse your face with normal water. Inatur Vitamin C Day Cream SPF 50. Take a few drops in the palm of your hand and massage gently into the skin of your face and neck with your fingertips. Antioxidants that protect and fight free radicals while brightening and fading dark spots. It's always good to apply sunscreen 15 minutes before your anticipated sun exposure. This helps the sunscreen to settle in the epidermis.